I gave you my heart.
Good morning. It's a lovely, good Tuesday morning. Today we will be cooking a very nice crispy pork belly. Pork belly. Pork belly. Pork belly. And here are the ingredients. The first step is to make sure that the pork belly is tender or well cooked. Pour water in a cooking pot and let it boil. Once ready, add salt, peppercorn and dried bay leaves. Mix it and leave it to boil for a bit so it will diffuse to the water. This will help give taste and aroma to the pork belly. Now, speaking of the pork belly, it is now time to add the star of the dish, which is the pork belly. It is important to make sure that the meat is tender so that it will be crispier when cooked later. Put cover and let it cook for more or less 45 minutes or until the meat is tender. After 45 minutes, remove the meat and put it on a clean container and leave it to cool off. Remove the bay leaves and the pepper. Once the temperature lowers and you can handle the meat, poke the skin using a toothpick or a fork. Doing this will create the boils on the skin when frying later. Now cut the pork in approximately an inch thick. This will help to have the pork cooked easier and make it more crispier. Now it's time to season the pork belly. Put salt and rub it, and make sure to do it on the other side as well. Now heat an oil in a pot. Now it's time to cook the pork belly. Make sure not to overcrowd when cooking, to have at least a balanced temperature and even cooking. And make sure to be careful when cooking because it will splatter a lot. Fry the pork belly until golden brown. Slice the pork belly in a bite-sized pieces or however you like it. Now let's plate and garnish and ready to taste. Now the crispy pork belly is now done. It's time for the taste test. And look how it is. Should be crispy. Super crispy. This food is easy to remake, just a few ingredients needed. Thank you again for watching. If you're new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button either here or here or here, and of course smash the like button, and see you next time. Bye.